Share this video with all the students you know and your loved ones looking to study law. Here are 15 laws you can specialize in. 1. Technology and AI law. And this is the law that governs artificial intelligence, automation, intersection of technology with other fields. There is data protection law. And this is the law that deals with advising businesses on privacy regulations like GDPR and data breaches. There is also intellectual property law, and this is the law that prevents you from copying somebody else's work and presenting it like your own, and so it protects copyright, patents, and trademarks. Also, health law or medical law, and this is the law that governs healthcare industry, including patients' rights and conformity from service providers. And then there is also sport and entertainment law, and this is the law that protects the artists, the athletes, their clubs, production companies, their contracts, intellectual properties, and disputes. There is also immigration law, and this is a law that deals with immigration, asylum seeking, provision of nationality for businesses and individuals. And then there is family law, and this is the law that deals with safeguarding, children protection, parental responsibility, marriages, surrogacy. There is also media law, and this is the law that concerns media production, content creation, internet, defamation, and intellectual property can also come under this. There is also energy law, and this is a law that governs the legal and regulatory aspects of the energy sector, and it also involves the renewable energy and the traditional sources. And there is also the environmental and ESG law, and this is the law that governs the climate change regulations. It also governs corporate sustainability, and then it also involves the incorporation of economic, social, and governance factor into business decisions. There is also space law, and this is a law that concerns itself with the activity at the outer space, the launching of satellites, and exploration of the space. Also the e-commerce law, and that is a law that governs the online business transaction and consumer protection. There is also the international trade law, and that is the law that governs the global trade activities, including international agreement. There is the banking and finance law, and that is the law that governs the financial institution, the capital market, and investment. There is also the elder law, and that is the law that governs estate planning, financial security for elderly people and their health care. There is the maritime law. It is called admiralty law, and it's also called the law of the seas, and that is the law that governs shipping, navigation, importation, and exportation on the sea and water boundaries. I hope you have learned something. Why are you still confused? You've got loads you can explore. Share this video with anyone confused as to what sort of law they can explore. There is a load of them, and I wish you all the best.